Well, looky here. The people from Evolution Power Tools have sent this to me. We're going to run it through the ringer. We're going to run it through some tests. We're going to do an unboxing and review and demonstration on all the different features and all the different cuts of this sliding 10-inch miter saw. Multi-purpose cutting we got. Virtually no sparks. Like I said, slide action for cutting. Laser guide accuracy. Sliding tile cutter. I mean, you can cut PVC pipe, wood, metal. Right here, it's cutting some metal there. Cutting the PVC and cutting some wood. I'm excited. Let's open her up. Alright, so this is what the Evolution Rage3 miter saw looks like when you open it up. 10-inch multi-purpose blade. This is what separates it from a lot of the other miter saws out there. Right here. This is going to cut through all the stuff I said earlier, you know. Alright, so here it is, out of the box, the Evolution 10-inch multi-material miter saw. So easy to put together, out of the box, literally 3 minutes. This thing is ready to go. You know, I just want to say also, this is a real light miter saw. Alright, so we got a bunch of material here. I'm going to prove to you right now that this is pretty much a revolutionary product. Alright, so there you saw it. Like I said, Evolution is really the proper name for this miter saw. It should be revolutionary. Because, like I said, it cut through this, and it wasn't even like a struggle. This piece of steel here was, you know, it's just a little bit of time, more of a time-consuming type cut. But, I mean, you saw it go through this stuff like a breeze. So, you know, here's some of the, and it wasn't, no sparking, very, very limited, you know, debris. I mean, we cut through a lot of stuff, and pretty much, you know, the bag got most of it, and it's a real compact miter saw. It's not real heavy, easy to transport, and, you know, for your normal wooden stuff, it's really awesome.